2006 to 2007, for more than 18 years, this is a place every metalworking enthusiast or every machine tool person in India and global know. And I still remember the first exhibition which happened here in 2007 was complete chaos, a lot of traffic, and slowly by year the year this have improved. But the metro coming near and talking about it coming to BIEC, every time we were expecting that will happen. And the big news right now is that the Madavara Metro Station, very just next to BIEC, is open and functioning right now.
Seeing is believing, and you already saw one of the biggest news that is happening at IMTEX 2025, and we at Machine Maker is going to bring you such stories and information in next 30 days. So stay tuned and stay connected.